Good morning, kids. If you saw my last video, you'll know that I found a 1600 speed disposable with a 100mm lens. Well, guess what came up in my suggestion straight after that? The same thing, but with a 140mm lens attachment. It looked so ridiculous that I had to see it with my own eyes. So here it is. That is a big box for a disposable camera, but it makes sense due to what's inside it. Now first, let's just have a little look at the box. 運動会やサッカーなどのスポーツ観戦に最適. Little example here of the field of view of regular disposable cameras, the 100mm lens, and then with the adapter on. Instructions on how to put the adapter on, and down here they explain how it used to work back in the heyday. The lab would send the camera, after taking the film out, back to Fuji. They'd put a new film in, and then they'd send it back to the stockist to put back on the shelf. Completely circular, fully recycled situation. Very cool. Unfortunately now, when you take a disposable camera to the shop, they take the film out and normally just throw the camera in the trash. So, disposable camera is not really the way to go these days, but maybe I'll make a separate video about that another time. Anyway, let's open her up. Okay, the only way it seems to open this is to, there's a rip piece here, but I don't really want to open it like that. And we have the lens attachment. How cool is that? Yo, that is a cool bit of design. That is brilliantly elegant design. Just straps on there. Then you've got this absolutely ridiculous looking disposable camera. Okay, last time I took the film out of the disposable and I shot it in my Spotmatic because I wanted a bit more control over my exposure. But this time I really do want to shoot a disposable with a 140mm lens on it, because how cool is that? We're going to shoot on a bright sunny day and we're going to pray to the analog gods. And that's all we can do. So, I'll see you outside. Well, on a scale of 1 to deep fried. In a previous video, I edited my scans to look a lot nicer. But in the wise words of Right on the Shin, one person's hot garbage is another's straight fire. So I will not be touching these scans. Enjoy.
Okay, let's go.
I wanted to compare with the adapter and without the adapter to see really how far it is. Oh, I do love a good corner building. Let's do it here. Alright, I got 4 shots left. The sun is not coming back. Let's go find some neons. I actually shot that sign on my first roll of real Natura 1600. I mean, branded Natura 1600. So it seemed apt to shoot it again. 3 more. Alright, that'll do. It's not like these are going to be award-winning photos anyway. I'll see you now for some opinions and thoughts and stuff. Well, not much to say about the film. I think the results definitely speak for themselves. However, I think it's super cool that Fuji made this attachment for a telephoto disposable camera, and that alone is a reason to make a video. One thing I will say as a bit of a debrief is that I'm an almost exclusively 50mm shooter, so the extra length was quite a fun challenge for me. Just wish the results actually came out slightly visible. Now, I do have a 135mm Pentax lens for my Spotmatic back in Japan. So when I'm home, maybe I'll take that out for a photo walk with some fresh film and enjoy the challenge again with better results. Anyway, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think down below. Goodbye.